Galey Alix design runs on an unconventional 72-hour renovation model. Homeowners hand over their keys on Friday, leave for the weekend, and return on Sunday to a completely redesigned interior. The business scales because Alix turns the delivery of the service itself into her primary content. Rather than producing generic design tips, she films the exact transformations her clients are already paying her to produce. By weaving products into a naturally satisfying story of a home makeover, she built a massive shoppable content engine. The brand now commands over 5 million followers, and Shopify reports that a single renovation video generated 30 million views. Alix's success shows that the most effective marketing material for a business is often found directly within the services it already provides to customers. This model stands in contrast to the traditional digital marketing playbook. For decades, growth was a matter of volume, bidding on generic two-word search queries and trying to outspend competitors for the top link. That era of manual bidding is winding down. By September, Google will begin automatically moving eligible search campaigns into AI Max, an automated system that gives the platform more control over query matching and ad messaging. This marks a shift toward contextual marketing. AI algorithms, rather than manual keyword matchers, are increasingly responsible for how products are discovered and presented to a buyer. With large budgets no longer acting as a shortcut to the top of the page, providing specific, relevant context becomes a primary requirement for remaining visible in automated search results. AI assistants are now moving beyond recommendations and becoming direct transactional surfaces. ChatGPT recently launched product carousel ads, where the AI determines which specific products match the context of a user's conversation. The impact is already showing up in retail data. Shopify reported that AI-driven traffic and orders tripled year over year in the second quarter. Furthermore, half of those AI-referred sessions landed directly on product detail pages, a rate 2.5 times higher than traditional search. Through multi-constraint evaluation, an AI agent evaluates dozens of specific requirements, like vehicle dimensions, safety ratings, and materials, simultaneously, rather than single keywords. This favors specialized retailers. With detailed specifications and clear use cases, AI identifies their product as the correct answer to complex requirements. Structured, accurate product data now serves as a high-performance acquisition asset, carrying more weight in a machine-driven market than simple administrative record-keeping. While the technical data matters, faking the human element is a growing risk. Many brands are currently attempting to covertly seed promotional mentions into Reddit communities. They are targeting Reddit because AI systems cite it heavily. Algorithms are actively searching for authentic human discussions, real-world trade-offs, and genuine recommendations from actual users. However, Reddit moderators are increasingly effective at identifying and banning these covert accounts. By trying to manufacture context, these brands risk being filtered out of the very datasets they want to influence. This reinforces why the Galey Alix model works. Transparently documenting real work, whether it's a smile restoration or a contractor's installation, provides the authentic proof that AI systems are programmed to find. Documenting real expertise builds the human context that algorithms reward, while manufacturing recommendations leads to invisibility. This shift is measurable using tools like Microsoft Clarity's AI Citations dashboard, which tracks how AI systems reference a business. There is a vital distinction between a branded AI query, where the customer already knows your name, and non-branded visibility. In a non-branded query, the customer describes a problem, and the AI must discover which business solves it. By identifying missing commercial questions, businesses can fill gaps. Adding pricing, specifications, and FAQs helps the AI bridge the user's problem to the solution. Success in this environment is measured by non-branded visibility, proving an AI can discover a business based strictly on the utility of its service. Modern marketing requires moving away from disconnected automation and focusing on the intersection of human storytelling and precise machine data. A marketplace shaped by AI favors specialized businesses that intimately understand their customers and translate their daily work into authentic, readable context.